fighter was arrested. A former leader of the NUC is here. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are going to speak the lived experiences of a black child in duty. Steve Biko says the greatest weapon is the hand of the oppressor. It is the mind of the oppressed. Today in duty, you have our black brothers and sisters who are black that do not understand that they are oppressed. And today, as I'm standing before you, I want to be an eye-opener. I want to open your mind. Let me tell you, in duty, if we have a responsible leadership, all of us, we can live a normal life. And I must explain what is a normal life to duty students. A normal life to duty students, it is for you to have a residence, for you to have meal allowance, for you to have book allowance, for you to study, pass and go. That's a normal life. You do not need to struggle to register, to struggle for an fund. That is an oppression of the highest order. To struggle when you have leaders who call themselves SRCs that are occupying offices, yet they are very useless. They are just fly by night, walk by day, half-cooked, self-proclaimed individuals. Nothing about them. When you go to residencies, there is a 48-hour rule. You must look at your student card. It's written, you must leave a residence on the 30th of June. Yet there is a rule here in duty that says within a period of 48 hours, you must vacate when you are done your studies. Who's going to occupy my bed from 1 June to the 30th of June? Because that money is going to be deducted from my school fees. Yet, the men of Enos, they are mushrooming. Secondly, it's a question of diploma here in duty. I'm a poor student. I'm funded by NSFAS. For me to register, I rely on NSFAS. The university knows that for me to register, I must get NSFAS. Yet, when NSFAS delays to pay, they are not consulting the offices of NSFAS in Cape Town. They withheld your results and your diplomas. Does that make logic? They know I can't afford my fees. And it's NSFAS who's responsible. I signed. My debt are no longer my debt, and for NSFAS. Is it fair for me that when NSFAS fails to pay them, they must crucify me? It's not fair. Whereas when you are doing your last year and you want to go and apply for a job and you do not have something to prove that you have a qualification that is eligible, you want to use a word of mouth that has completed, no one is going to employ you. No, relax. Something has just happened. Anything else to show it to why? Anything else to even the truth I wanted to tell you today, in your own protection. In the Papa she is that of God. I do. Fighter, you know, when the enemy shivers, you must know that they can see. Now you know the truth. The only reason the SRC and SARS-CoV, they want to distract this meeting, is because they do not want you to hear the truth. But I'm glad because you have heard the order of the truth that was going to deliver. Let me tell you one last thing. There are issues of diploma that we are going to speak about. There are issues of buses. There are issues of students that do not have NSFAS and other issues. But you must rest assured that the EFF is the only organization on campus. The EFF is going to lead on campus. The EFF is going to ensure that all power in this university, they do not have a space. It is only the EFF that is an alternative to all students of duty. All of them. They are fly by night, walk by day, talk cook, self-proclaimed leaders. We are here to say, and everything that we are going to do, everything that we are going to fight for, it is going to be by hook or crook, and it's fast by force. Let me tell you, by force. Cafeteria, by force. EFF, by force. Students, by force. Marcha. Our lifetime. I had quite a big from the movement. Let's put them at the from the economic system. I said, no, this chief must know that they are what I want to make the future of this country. The future of the young African generation. EFF is the future. There is no political party in South Africa that can get that is better than EFF. That's why I say, open your mind, open your eyes, open your ears, and know the truth. If you are confused, this is the EFF. That's the direction.